Today we are going to start chapter number 2, input devices. Chapter outlines the keyboard, pointing devices, digitizing and scanning devices, character and mark recognition devices, image capturing devices, audio based input system, sensors. Input devices are the hardware devices used to supply data to the computer. The selection of devices depends on the application for which the computer is being used. So, here are different types of input devices. Learn these devices by heart from your textbook. The keyboard. The keyboard is the most common and the most important input device. A keyboard normally has 104 keys. There are different types of keys on the keyboard. They are alphabetic keys, number keys, special keys, function keys, control keys, etc. Our next topic is pointing devices. So first pointing device is a mouse. A mouse is used to point an object on the screen and give commands. For further clarification, watch this video.
Mouse is the main part of my body. I love the mouse because it helps me to take input in several ways. Mouse. Mouse is also an important part of the computer system. Its main use is to point or select any item on the screen. It is a point and click device. This is not the mouse that keeps running around in your house. A mouse is a small box that fits in our palm. It has 2 or 3 buttons on it, a wire that is connected to the CPU, a scroll wheel between the 2 buttons. Optical mouse. Nowadays, optical mouse is used with a modern computer. It has no ball inside. It works on light and sensor technology. You will see a red light on line base of the optical mouse. Wireless mouse. Wireless mouse is also latest trend in the market. It has no wire to connect to the computer. It has a sensor connected to the computer which receives wireless signals. You can sit away from the computer and operate it using the wireless mouse. Mousepad. The mouse is kept on a pad called a mousepad. It keeps the mouse free from dust and makes it easier to use. Mouse pointer. Did you notice that there is an arrow on the computer monitor? This arrow is called the mouse pointer or cursor. When you move the mouse on the mouse pad, the mouse pointer on the monitor also moves in the same direction. Holding a mouse. Place your palm on the mouse to hold it. The index finger should be kept on the left button and middle finger on the right button. Clicking the mouse. A click sound is heard when you press a button of the computer mouse. Pressing the left mouse button is called left click or simply click. Pressing the right button is called right click. We click on an icon to select a file, folder or program. Left click helps in selecting the options. Right click helps to view more options related to an item. Single click, pressing the left mouse button once and releasing it. Double-click, pressing the left mouse button twice at a short interval and then releasing it. Click and drag. Press the left button and keep it pressed while moving the mouse. This is called dragging. Releasing the mouse button after dragging is called dropping. On the Paint software, we can draw pictures with the mouse by using the drag function.
The touchpad. A touchpad is a small, flat surface with buttons around the edge. Moving a stylus or a finger across the pad moves the cursor. The buttons work like mouse buttons. Touchpads are mostly used in laptops. The touch screen. A touch screen is used both as an input device and an output device. It consists of a touch-sensitive screen covered with a plastic or glass layer. Users select and enter data by touching points on the screen. The joystick. A joystick consists of a vertical lever mounted on a base. Moving the lever in different directions move the cursor. Joysticks are used in games, flight simulation programs, and the control robots. The light pen. A light pen looks like a normal pen connected by a computer. It is used to select items on the screen. It can also be moved by hand over a pad to enter drawings into the computer.